These Christmas lights are beautiful. This set is 164 feet long, and they're kind of like the icicle cascading type of thing. So basically, you install them on a porch on your house, and you have them cascading down just like that. So it does take some effort to install because look at that bunch, right? And then at each strand comes down and is a single strand. It is weatherproof, so resistant, of course, to any type of weather outdoors. Super nice warm light. It does come in a cool light, and they also provide you or offer you a multicolored option as well. And the really nice thing about this is once you connect it, you've got different modes, and I can press on the mode button, of course, the flashing lights, the slow, there you go, a bunch of different modes. And the nice thing is there's a memory function. So if I choose this mode, for example, and I turn off the lights at night, and I turn them back, or turn off the lights before I go to bed and turn them back on the next day, this memory setting will stick. And the other nice thing is, check this out. You can buy more and more and more and string them up together. This nice little adapter will connect, and this weatherproof seal will make sure that it is sealed and nothing will happen to them. And you can completely light up your entire house. They're really, really beautiful, and they're going to make this Christmas season super special.